Christmas, the most wonderful time of the year, filled with joy, laughter, and the warmth of family gatherings. A time for joy, family, and a mountain of dishes? Yes, you heard that right. As much as we love the festive feast, the aftermath can be quite overwhelming. It's true. The sight of a beautifully set table, laden with delicious food, is a joy to behold. But once the meal is over, the thought of tackling that mountain of dirty dishes can be a bit daunting. The kitchen, once a place of culinary magic, now looks like a battlefield. But fear not, my darlings. With a little planning and some clever dishwasher hacks, you can conquer those Christmas dishes and get back to enjoying the festivities. Imagine a world where the cleanup is as joyful as the meal itself. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Remember, the dishwasher is your friend, not your foe. This modern marvel can save you time and effort, allowing you to spend more moments with your loved ones. But it's not just about loading it up and pressing start. There are tips and tricks to make the most of your dishwasher. We're going to work together to make this Christmas the most delicious and stress-free yet. From pre-rinsing to loading techniques, we'll cover it all. And it's not just about the dishes. We'll also look at ways to keep the kitchen tidy as you cook, so the cleanup is less of a chore. So, put on your apron, grab a glass of something festive, and let's get started. Together, we'll turn the dreaded Christmas dishes into a manageable task, leaving you more time to enjoy the magic of the season. Cheers to a stress-free and joyous Christmas. The key to a stress-free Christmas dinner is preparation. And no, I don't just mean the food. Before the big day, give your dishwasher a little love. Make sure it's empty and sparkling clean. This will give you a head start on the Christmas dish avalanche. Now let's talk food. Prepping as much as possible ahead of time is a game changer. Chop those veggies, make that gravy, and assemble that delicious dessert the day before. Fewer dishes on Christmas Day mean more time for carols and crackers. Christmas morning arrives, and with it, the first wave of dishes. Don't let them pile up. After breakfast, pop those sticky syrup plates and buttery cutlery straight into the dishwasher. This is also the perfect time to tackle any stubborn baking dishes. Use the most intensive wash cycle to blast away any remnants of your delicious Christmas creations. Now relax. You've already conquered the first dish hurdle. The main event is over, and oh, what a feast it was. Now take a deep breath and survey the scene. Before you dive into dish duty, gather your troops, aka family members, and assign tasks. Teamwork makes the dream work, even on Christmas. Start by scraping any large food scraps into the bin. Then, load your dinner plates, cutlery, and serving dishes into the dishwasher. Use a regular wash cycle for this load. It's perfect for everyday dishes. Section 5. Delicates and desserts. A gentle touch for precious pieces. Now for the delicate darlings. Those beautiful wine glasses, your finest china, and the precious crystal bowl that Aunt Edna insists on using for trifle every year. These beauties need a gentler touch. Hand wash these items with care, or if you must use the dishwasher, select the gentlest cycle and use a delicate wash detergent. Your precious heirlooms will thank you. Section 6. Dishwasher. Wisdom tips and tricks for sparkling results. Let's talk dishwasher strategy. First things first, avoid overcrowding. Give those dishes some breathing room so the water and detergent can work their magic. Stack plates neatly. Arrange cutlery handle down, safety first, and make sure nothing is blocking the sprayer arms. Next, banish grease. Excess oil and fat can clog your dishwasher and leave dishes less than sparkling. Scrape away any large pieces of food and give particularly greasy dishes a quick wipe with a paper towel before loading. Section 7. Timing is everything, making your dishwasher work for you. The holiday season is upon us, and with it comes the joy of family gatherings and festive meals. But amidst the hustle and bustle, your dishwasher can be a true ally in ensuring everything runs smoothly. Did you know your dishwasher can be your secret weapon in the fight against cold plates? Imagine serving your delicious holiday feast on plates that are not just clean, but also warm, adding an extra touch of comfort to your meal. Most dishwashers have a delay timer function. This feature allows you to set your dishwasher to start at a specific time, which can be incredibly useful when planning your meals. Set it to start just before dinner, and your plates will be sparkling clean and perfectly warm for serving. This way you can focus on cooking and entertaining, knowing that your dishwasher is taking care of the rest. No more cold dinner plates. Your guests will appreciate the extra effort, and you'll enjoy the convenience of having one less thing to worry about. And a final word on rinsing: resist the urge. It might seem counterintuitive, but pre-rinsing your dishes before loading them into the dishwasher is often unnecessary. Modern dishwashers are designed to handle food particles. They come equipped with powerful spray arms and advanced filtration systems that can break down and wash away food residue effectively. Pre-rinsing is usually unnecessary and wastes water. By skipping this step, you not only save time, but also conserve water, making your dishwashing routine more eco-friendly. Save yourself the effort and let your dishwasher do its job. Trust in its capabilities, and you'll find that it can handle the task with ease, leaving you with more time to enjoy the moments that matter most. Choosing the right detergent is also crucial. There are various types available, from powders to gels to pods. Each has its own advantages, so find the one that works best for your dishwasher and your needs. Don't forget to read your dishwasher's manual. It contains valuable information on how to get the best performance from your machine, including tips on loading and maintenance. Regular maintenance is key. Clean the filter and check the spray arms for clogs to ensure your dishwasher runs efficiently. A well-maintained dishwasher not only cleans better but also lasts longer. Consider using a dishwasher cleaner once a month. This helps remove any buildup of grease and limescale, keeping your dishwasher in top condition. Proper loading is essential. Place items in a way that allows water and detergent to reach all surfaces. Avoid overcrowding, as this can prevent dishes from getting thoroughly cleaned. Select the right cycle for your load. Most dishwashers offer various cycles, such as heavy, normal, and eco. Choose the one that best suits the level of soiling and the type of dishes you're washing. Finally, take the time to unload your dishwasher properly. Start with the bottom rack to avoid water dripping onto the dishes below. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your dishes spotless. By following these tips, you can make your dishwasher work for you, ensuring that your holiday meals are served on clean, warm plates, and that you have more time to spend with your loved ones. Happy holidays! Section 8. A clean finish, emptying and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The dishwasher has worked its magic, and now it's time to unload. After a delicious meal and a wonderful time spent with family and friends, the last thing you want to do is deal with a pile of dirty dishes. Thankfully, your trusty dishwasher has taken care of that for you. Now, all that's left is to empty it and put everything back in its place. But first, a little tip: open the dishwasher door slightly and let the dishes air dry for a few minutes. This simple step can make a big difference. By allowing the steam to escape and the dishes to cool down, you can avoid those annoying water spots and streaks that sometimes appear on your glassware and plates. This will prevent any lingering moisture from causing spots or streaks. It's a small step, but it ensures that your dishes come out looking their absolute best. After all, you've put in the effort to prepare a wonderful meal, so why not make sure your dishes look just as impressive? Now, put on some festive music, pour yourself another glass of something delicious, and unload those gleaming dishes. Make this task enjoyable by turning it into a mini celebration. Whether it's your favorite holiday tunes or some upbeat music that gets you moving, let the rhythm make the chore feel less like work and more like fun. And there you have it, a sparkling clean kitchen and the satisfaction of a job well done. There's something incredibly rewarding about seeing your kitchen spotless and knowing that you did it. It's a moment to take pride in your efforts and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So, take a step back, admire your clean kitchen, and maybe even treat yourself to a little something extra. You've earned it. Section 9. Conclusion. Cheers to a stress-free Christmas dinner. So there you have it, my dears. With a little planning, some clever dishwasher hacks, and perhaps a Christmas carol or two, you can conquer those dishes and get back to what really matters: enjoying the magic of Christmas with loved ones. Remember, Christmas is about creating memories, not mountains of dirty dishes. So, relax, enjoy the festivities, and let your dishwasher do the hard work for you. Happy Christmas!